here we go. The accidental BMW. He's going to get some genuine M wheels. What I really need here is roadworthy tyres to get it on the road, and these are roadworthy, so that will get us going. Good morning, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. You've seen the wheels when we went and picked them up. What I've done is gone onto Marketplace, good old Facebook Marketplace, and found some wheels and tyres. These are BMW M Sport, so they're fatter. These are 205, these are 225, so they're fatter, lower profile. If you're doing up a car to sell, then certainly wheels and tyres is a great place to start. Genuine BMW M Sport wheels are very, very strong, very good quality mags. And these have got roadworthy tyres on them. So for less money than buying roadworthy or brand new tyres for that, I've scored the M Sport wheels, so I was going to have the fats on it now as well. So that's sort of thing to have a look at when you're doing up a car. Bit of work involved, because you know, the person who sold it didn't say whether they were for a 1 series or 3 series. They didn't put any sort of listing down, and as you can see, didn't clean them, so they're absolutely feral. They were feral in the pictures, but bit of elbow grease, and these are going to look absolutely fine. Here's one I prepared earlier, and yeah, these wheels are in good condition. It's going to pass its roadworthy now. It's a really good tread. If you've got wheels off your car, it's a great chance to give them a wash on the inside as well. Just get all of that brake dust and all the rest of it off. These are Bob Jane tyres. This is a car company in Australia, and I'm interested in one thing particularly. I mean, I love how they've gone the Aussie thing, bobjane.com.au, and made for Australia going on here. But they've got a really good ridge on them here. You get down, you see that raised edge. What's that about? That's a curb protector. It's on both sides of the tyre. That's a curb protector, so you're not going to touch this and get curb rash straight off. There's Bridgestone tyres on here, and they've got the same sort of thing. You see that raised ridge, and then there's Pirellis on here. They don't have a raised ridge, but they've got a fatter wall trying to protect that rim, so when you bump into things, you don't hit them. Something to look at in tyres. And I like it when I see that raised rim on a tyre, because it means they're using their brains. They're putting something into the tyre to protect your wheel, which is going to really protect that rim. On the other side, of course. Clever. There we go. 2 down, 2 to go. Getting there. They won't look like this for long. So there we go. Just like that. 3 done. Just 1 to go. Getting super close. It's washing off pretty easy. This is another front. Fronts are normally worse so far as brake dust goes. So here we go. This is the last look of this car with these mags on it. I mean, it's got mags, but they are the standard factory mags. So we're going to put the M Sport mags on and just do a comparison for the look of the difference. So here we go. There's the standard mag and there's the new one. What a difference. It's just, to the eye, it's such a difference. You know, I can just picture that rolling in, and it's just so sharp and spectacular in comparison to that one on the back. So there we go. For me, that is just a phenomenal difference. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but huge difference. It looks different, it looks special. I know they're clean, and that always makes a big difference, but I think that's a big change. And that cost me less than putting 4 new tyres on, because I got on my Marketplace with good tyres. So bonus deal, one more step.